August 2026 as per schedule provided by Honorable Election Commission of India for the publication of draft electoral roll for special intensive revision 2026. All 60 assembly constituencies in the 12 districts, the draft roll has been published. It is in accordance with the program announced by ECI, and this publication marked the commencement of the statutory period of filing of claims and objections, which will be from 5th August 2026 today till 4th September 2026. The draft electoral roll has been published at the offices of district election officers, electoral registration officers, and AEROs and in all polling stations in the state. Copies of the draft electoral roll have also been handed over to the authorized representatives of recognized national and state political parties, with one hard copy containing photographs and one soft copy without photographs. In addition, one hard copy without photograph has been shared with the traditional head, Darbar Sonong, Nokma, and other designated public institutions to facilitate public inspection, as well as photocopies of the electoral roll has been given to the BLOs for further needful action. In this SIR 2026, it involved an intensive house-to-house verification exercise carried out by the election machinery across the state. The exercise achieved 100% distribution and digitization of enumeration forms covering all 23,49,645 electors in the state. The SIR has enabled comprehensive verification and digitization of state's electoral database, and out of total 23,49,645, 7,75,665 electors, that is 33.01%, have been successfully mapped as self with their own electoral record linked to the Special Intensive Revision 2005 database. 11,70,792 electors, covering 49.83%, have been mapped as progeny with their records linked to the electoral roll of their parents or grandparents available in the SIR 2005 database. Remaining 2,22,786 electors could not be linked with the SIR 2005 records and have been categorized under the no mapping category. These cases will undergo detailed verification during the notice phase, disposal of claim and objection, which is starting from today. During this enumeration phase, total 1,80,402 electors, that is 7.68% of total electors, were identified under absent, shifted, deceased, and duplicate ASDD categories. The category-wise details are: deceased are 81,490, that is 3.47%. Untraceable are absent are 45,011, that is 1.92%. Permanently shifted 42,532 or 1.81% of electoral roll. There are 4,668, which is 0.20%, who refused to take enumeration forms, and total 6,701, which is 0.29%, they are indicated as duplicate, means already enrolled somewhere. Based on the verification completed during the house-to-house exercise, the electoral roll 2026 contains 21,69,243 electors, comprising 10,53,039 male electors, 11,16,199 female electors, and 5 third gender electors. The Election Commission of India has approved the rationalization of polling station in Meghalaya, resulting the creation of 86 new polling stations. and this time the electors upper cap is 1200 per booth. The limit is, and total number of polling station in the state of Meghalaya has increased now from 3,551 to 3,637. As once we started SIR exercise, that time the 3,551 polling stations were there, but we have published the draft for 3,636 polling station, which is expected to enhance voter convenience and improve accessibility to polling stations across the state. So as per the summary which already been shared, now in the draft electoral roll, there are 21,69,243 electors, and all 1,80,402 electors under ASDD categories are now being removed from the electoral roll, as their name is not being appeared. We further reiterate that the draft electoral roll is not the final electoral roll. Every eligible elector have the opportunity to verify their particulars and file claims or objections during the statutory period from 5th August to 4th September, and authorities will dispose of all these claims in between 5th August till 3rd of October. So electors are advised to check their names also through this voter service portal, is http://voter.eci.gov.in or http://ceomeghalaya.nic.in.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabanggi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Enda kote koros kamu tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga plus F markadong pako.
Plus F?
Salantio anchini chaani rango peena namgani rang kote bangakon watchanga jayan anchini bimang gisik porayani nambate rakani mandapani aru gemuk konik nikata nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungjak?
Oe chugumak nangani rang unigaman na atta merong kari to aru dut rangko koros kaingon plus F markadong pako sa nibo maina uno iron aru vitamin rangko nangani kriotna sungi chane chaoba mukron chinioba aru chathoa nioba mamang dengtangani ko ijawa
Dentang rekan ku ijo ramai nasra brans ka injok.
Ndiba mengsau blongen dengtang rekani donga anchini anseng baljokaniyo Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambate jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.